Okay, guys, so when you see this market, okay, pushing strong, you see that moving average and all the correlated instruments, okay, going long, bullish, okay, you need to hold the position, okay, you see the refresh of the intro bar, okay, there's no, the market is accumulating slowly, okay, so you can see the market is accumulating slowly as we see big buyers and the tape is very slow, so that way you can hold the position a little bit more. You see the signals here, we started from here, you see the green vertical background, green, market touched the moving average and we see that they didn't break it, so this means harmony, this means the market wants to go high. Okay, then you see again, tagged it again, so we didn't do anything. Buyer stepped in, so there it goes. Many buy signals here. Just wanted to show you that how to manage when you're trading, guys. How to manage a trade. Okay, so there's no need for you to scalp. Of course, when the market is too fast, it's very difficult to get involved. Okay, so sometimes you just need to let go and let the market do what it's gotta do, and that's it. So you don't have to be involved when it's too fast, okay? But when market is accumulating slowly, you see the market is accumulating slowly, and you see across all the other instruments, okay, and you see that sort of billions of dollars going long. Why would you don't take advantage of that? Because this doesn't happen every day. Okay, this doesn't happen every day. Market is sometimes is horrible price actions that you need to take advantage of when the market is like right now is going long. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share, you guys, and it's very important. Okay, so this is a lesson for you to to learn, implement, and there's no problem, guys, if you go with micros. Okay, so go with micros if you want to survive. Okay, a month, 2 months with your account, a prop firm account, go with micros. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with micros. Okay, I was seeing a statistic yesterday about prop firms of top tip trader that last year only like 5% of traders of all their wallet of traders got a payout. So that's the problem when you're trading minis. Okay, so when you're trading minis, that is the problem. So it's better to get a trade micros. That way you can last a little bit longer and don't become a statistic. Okay, so of course that's we understand that people lose when trading minis because the drawdown is $2,000 and it's intraday. So it's easy to lose. Markets fool you every day. That's their job, to fool us and take our money. So go with micros if you want to survive. If you want to test the waters. Okay, so I build confidence. Is building confidence is very important to the trader. If you come from a losing streak, go with micros. That way you can manage your trades, and a $2,000 drawdown of a 50K account is gonna help you a lot. So drawdowns are $50, $30. It's digestible, but if you're doing a $500 drawdown, 2 3 trades, the account is gone. So it's gonna drill your brain and put you in a very tough position, thinking that you don't know how to trade, and you know how to trade. The problem is that you don't have risk management.